Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to launch Grammarly in Outlook. To launch and use Grammarly in Microsoft Outlook, you will need to install the Grammarly desktop version. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com. After that, log into your account. Now, go to the app section here. You need to install the Grammarly for Windows. If you have already installed and it is not working correctly, click on Reinstall button. After the installation is complete and you have logged into your account, you will see an interface like this. It says Grammarly is up and running. Now you need to open your Microsoft Outlook application. Here you can compose a mail. After that, start typing anything here. And you will see a green icon like this. Click on it to review the suggestions. It will automatically pop out if you have correctly installed the Grammarly on your desktop. So that is how you can launch Grammarly on Outlook. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.